BFS Disposable Machine for LVPs. Ultimate sterility assurance, single gun step, closed process minimizes human and environmental intervention. High efficiency her output, automated operation ensures consistent, scalable production for LVPs. Material her cost savings, produces lightweight, integral containers, reducing packaging waste. Regulatory compliance, designed to meet stringent standards for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Ideal for pharmaceutical manufacturers, engineering professionals, and packaging specialists looking to upgrade their aseptic production lines. This video provides a complete overview of the automated, integrated process where plastic containers are blown, filled with sterile liquid, and hermetically sealed in one continuous operation within a sterile chamber. This technology significantly reduces contamination risks compared to traditional methods.